Here's a video on the iPhone 13 Pro devices. We are expected to see a lot of improvement in terms of features, technologies, and there is going to be an improvement in the design department as well. So there has been a lot of rumors for the iPhone 13 series, particularly coming from Max Weinbach and the Mi Chang Kao, who both are going to be reliable sources. So the first ever leak we are going to talk about is the notch. We have a new notch system that is going to be smaller in size, and it's not going to be as wider as we have seen in the iPhone 12 series. And do keep in note that we are going to see similar kind of height for that particular notch. So the earpiece is going to be moving on the upside, and in terms of its size, it is also going to be on the shorter side. One thing that is going to be pretty much amazing that we are going to see a consistency in terms of notch size. Moving on towards the front panel, we also are hearing that there is going to be a promotion of 120 Hz of refresh rate is going to be available. One of the interesting things that leaks point out that this is going to be also supported by LTPO, which is pretty amazing. Also in the leaks that we are going to see the Touch ID is going to be coming back, and this time around we are going to see this technology is going to be implemented in the under display fingerprint scanner form. Next we have the information for the processor. This time around we are going to see the A15 chipset inside, and that particularly based on 5nm second generation. This new A15 chipset is going to be 20 to 30% faster than the A14 chipset that is currently available. So if Apple is going to be implemented promotion inside the devices, then this new second generation will help out in terms of battery management for that particular device. Also in the leaks, Mi Chang Kao has pointed out that there is going to be a new camera sensor on the back of the device, and it is going to be improved in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And also talking about the sensor, we are going to see that there is going to be a little bit on a thinner side. The sensor shift optical image stabilization is going to be available in the wider lens for the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is going to be really good for the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max devices. So as far as the portless design is concerned, just because of the MagSafe, we don't expect that this is going to be happening. The lightning cable is going to be here. So guys, these are some of the leaks that has been coming all around on the internet in different articles. Let me know your thoughts. So which feature do you expect for the iPhone 13 series in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.